Hey guys, good morning and Radhe Radhe to all of you. So yesterday I shared my previous year RRBPO interview experience. So one of my subscriber asked that please tell me that which type of document needed for interview. So here I am going to share that you have to take which important document. So yeah, without any further delay we should start. So 10th to graduate or PG, which degree you have, so you have to take all original document. Okay, and second number, computer certificate if you mention in recruitment form, and if you mention basic knowledge then no needed for any computer certificate, but if you mention that you have certificate then you have to take that diploma original certificate. And in third number, any other achievement certificate like in a sport, or if you participated any important event and you have that certificate then you have to take. And in fourth number, original Aadhaar card plus one ID more like voter id or driving license or passbook. And in fifth number, domicile certificate, and domicile certificate is, by domicile certificate they can check that from which state you applied your RRBPO recruitment form. So domicile certificate is very must. And if you are not coming in unreserved category or general category, EWS category, so you have to take your caste certificate. If you come in OBC, SC, ST or other caste, and two photos same like recruitment form. And if you want to go safer side, then here I am saying that you have to take two more photos same like recruitment form. And last but not the least, seventh number, interview admit card. So these are all original document, and one bundle should be all original document and second bundle should be in all Xerox. Okay, so you have to take two bundle. And all the best champion for interview. So don't be overconfident, and you should prepare some important question related to your state, some important question related to your graduation, because this is RRBPO interview. But you don't think that this is only and only RRBPO interview. They can ask any type of question because this is interview, and 80% way you have already fixed and remaining 20% you have to fix. So total merit, final merit will be like 80% mains and 20% interview. So yeah, all the best champion for your final selection. So we will meet you in next video, and if you have any other query then freely you can comment in any video, so I will reply all your queries. Okay, so till then take care, bye bye, and study hard, focus on your 20% part. We will meet you in next video.